Hi, I'm Chelsea, and welcome to this demonstration of Showcase Workshop. We'll take just a few minutes to look at how Showcase can solve sales headaches in your industry. By the time we're done, you'll know how Showcase works and how to get it working for you quickly. We're going to talk about your business first, then where Showcase fits into your sales process, and finally, how to get started. Financial services companies like yours have told us that the sales process is about balance. You have to build trust and reliability in your brand through storytelling and testimonials. You also want to provide specific details about products and services, interest rates, premiums, fees, and terms. So you might have videos or slide decks about your business, but you also want a library of PDF brochures and disclosures right at your fingertips. Your team might work from desks at branch locations, or they could be out selling on the move. They want access to information quickly and look confident in front of customers, no matter where they are. Whether you're selling banking packages, mortgages, insurance, or consulting, one thing that's crucial is having the correct, up-to-date information on hand. If interest rates or return stats have shifted recently and your team is still referring to outdated numbers in their sales conversations, that's a bad look. People in your industry have told us that information given to customers needs to be carefully controlled and could change frequently due to shifts in the market or legislation. They've also explained that some financial decisions can take a while to make. So we've heard about how your ideal sales tool would cater for long lead times while still making regular follow-ups easy and quick. If that sounds like you, great. Let's look at what others in your industry have done with Showcase. You might have guessed we'd say this, but Showcase really is the optimum tool for your industry. Storytelling materials like slideshows and videos sit comfortably right alongside all your more detailed disclosure statements and brochure PDFs, and reps can move smoothly between all of them without even changing apps. Irrespective of where your team are selling from, Showcase works on desktop computers, laptops, tablets, and phones. And they all work lightning fast, even offline, seamless and professional. You might have rate sheets, disclosure statements, and application forms, numbering in the hundreds. Showcase allows you to update any of these in a matter of minutes and have it accessible to the team instantly. Where Showcase really shines is in how your team can share the content they're presenting. Send all kinds of files direct from the app for your customer to look at in their own time, and set custom timeouts so the files stay valid for only a week or several months. Our detailed tracking shows you who opened what they looked at, and which files they downloaded for their own reference. This makes follow-ups more targeted and genuinely useful. Knowing how Showcase will change the lives of your teams is one thing. Now, you're probably wondering what kind of setup and effort is involved on your part. You'll be pleased to know that our users regularly describe the Showcase platform as surprisingly straightforward and easy to use. Our platform is backed up by our highly rated customer success team, who are on hand to help out with the design and build process of your Showcase. With as little as 1 hour's free video call training, you'll have all the information you need to start designing and building your own showcases. True content control is within reach. Once you've set up your showcases and your team starts using them, you immediately get feedback on the performance of your content. You can see how often your content is being viewed by your team overall, which files are popular in which specific showcase, and who your top users are for each showcase. So you have plenty of actionable oversight on your team's own performance. But if your team have been sharing files too, there's a detailed sharing history section that looks at the recipient's behavior as well. You can see who has downloaded which files, and if it was the whole presentation that was shared. You can see a timeline of which slides the recipient viewed, in what order, and for how long. That's it! Now you know how great Showcase is for your business. What's next? Don't lose this excited feeling. Go check Showcase out for yourself by starting a trial. Have an explore and get our quick training to hit the ground running. You'll be sorted before you know it, and we're really looking forward to having you with us.